Hello dear students, hope you are fine. Right, in the last videos we discussed about the electric field, right? So what is meant by the electric field and what are the that is what is meant by the electric field. We discussed about what is electric field and the various aspects of this electric field, right? So today we are going to discuss about the electric field due to system of point charges. Okay, so far we have discussed about the electric field due to point charge alone. So what is the electric field due to a point charge? E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square into R cap, right? So this is the electric field due to a point charge. Now we are going to discuss about the electric field due to system of point charges. That means the multiple number of point charges in a free space that we are going to discuss about. Okay, so to find the electric field due to these point charges at a particular point, that we are going to find out. Consider a charge particle Q1, another charge particle Q2 and another charge particle Q3. Okay, so their electric fields are in this direction. Now we are going to find out the electric field of these three charges at this point P. Understood? Electric field of these three point charges at this point P. So let the electric field of Q1 be E1 and the electric field of Q2 be E2 and the electric field of Q3 be E3. Right? Now we are aim is to find out the electric field produced at the point E. At this point P, what is the total electric field that we are going to find out. What we are going to use here is, we are going to use the superposition principle, right? As we calculated the charge like this, now we are going to find out the electric field at this particular point using superposition principle. If the point charges are distributed in free space, if you want to find out that electric field due to the collection of that point charges at the particular point, ஏதாவது ஒரு இடத்துல இந்த சார்ஜ்னால ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகக்கூடிய டோட்டல் எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்டை நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா சூப்பர் பொசிஷன் பிரின்சிபல் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். எங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? இந்த டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் சார்ஜ் பாயிண்ட் சார்ஜஸ் ஸ்பேஸில் ஃப்ரீயாக டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் ஆகிருக்கு. ஆனால் எனக்கு ஒரு இடத்துல அதோட எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்ட் டோட்டல் எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்டு எவ்வளோ இருக்குது அப்படின்னு calculate பண்ணுவேன் டியூ டு தீஸ் சார்ஜஸ். அந்த டைமில் ஐ வில் யூஸ் சூப்பர் பொசிஷன் பிரின்சிபல். ஸோ டோட்டல் எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்ட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு electric field due to 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. up to, if there are n number of charges, it will be up to En. Okay, so the total electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, so E1 means electric field due to Q1, that is Q1 by, let this distance be, let us take it as R1, R2, R3 or R1P, R2P and R3P. Okay, so let us take it as R1P square into R1P cap plus Q2 by R2P square R2P cap plus etc. up to Qn by R2n square, sorry, RNP square into RNP cap. Right? So by this way we can calculate the total electric field. I am going to simplify even this equation, that is we can write it as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. These are all summation, right? So I am taking it as summation because we are adding up all these values. Summation I is equal to 1 to n. I stands for 1 to n. Okay, so I can replace these values by I divided by or IP square or IP the whole power, sorry, the or IP cap, right? So I tends from 1 to n. So simply we can write the total electric field due to the system of point charges as this formula. Understood? So this is the, by using superposition principle we have find out the electric field due to the system system of point charges if they are distributed in a free space. Thank you for watching.